I didn't lose money first when I started trading. I lost confidence, patience, and trust in myself. And that's something no one talks about. If you've ever sat alone late at night watching charts, replaying trades in your head, wondering why it seems to work for everyone else but not for you, this story will feel familiar. This isn't about strategies or indicators. It's about what trading slowly does to a person over time. By the end of this video, you'll understand why most traders fail even after learning good strategies, and what actually changes when someone finally starts seeing consistency, not in money first, but in mindset. When I first found trading, it looked like freedom. No boss, no fixed schedule, no limits, just decisions and outcomes. I didn't come from a background where people talked about markets, but trading felt simple on the surface. Buy low, sell high. I thought the challenge was learning how charts moved. My first few trades went well. Nothing big, but enough to make me feel confident. Those early wins convinced me that I was learning fast. I started imagining what life would look like once I figured it out. At that stage, I wasn't greedy for money. I was hungry for proof that I was capable. As time passed, things became confusing. I started watching more videos, following more traders, and trying different strategies. Every new method felt like the missing piece. Instead of mastering one approach, I kept switching, thinking the problem was always the strategy. Losses started appearing more often. At first, I accepted them calmly. I told myself losses were normal. But when they repeated, something changed in my behavior. I started entering trades early, holding losing positions longer, and moving stop losses. I wasn't following rules anymore. I was reacting. Trading began affecting my daily life. I stayed up late watching charts, replaying trades, and thinking about what I should have done differently. I stopped talking about trading because I didn't want to explain losses. Wins stopped making me happy. They only made me feel relieved. I wasn't chasing profits anymore. I was chasing the feeling of being right. One night, after another losing trade, I didn't feel angry. I just felt exhausted. For the first time, I didn't blame the market. I asked myself why I kept repeating the same mistakes even though I knew better. That question was uncomfortable, but it was necessary. I stepped away from trading for a while. During that break, I reviewed my past trades and noticed a clear pattern. My biggest losses didn't come from bad setups. They came from impatience, fear of missing out, and the need to recover losses quickly. When I returned, I traded less. I waited more. I accepted losses before entering trades instead of fighting them after. Trading stopped feeling like a battle. It became a process. I realized that trading isn't about predicting what will happen. It's about responding correctly to what is happening. Over time, I noticed something important. On days when I was calm and focused, my trading improved. On days when I was stressed or rushed, mistakes increased. The market wasn't random. It was reflecting my state of mind. That's when I understood that trading is less about the market and more about the trader. The charts didn't change. I did.